Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to get started with affiliate marketing. Firstly, you need to choose a niche. Pick a specific topic you enjoy and know about to build a focused audience. 2. Select a platform. Use YouTube, social media or website with SEO to share content you like or you want to do. 3. Find affiliate programs. Search for programs that suit your niche, such as Amazon for broad audiences or software for businesses. 4. Create quality content. Just make sure you offer real value with genuine product insights on your content. And 5. Drive traffic. When you have all the steps ready, use paid ads, social media, or SEO to grow your audience and boost clicks on affiliate links. And that's it, guys. For more tips, check online affiliate marketing resources. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.